Question is given a plus b is equal to 12. ab is equal to 30. So here we have to find out the value of a and b in this equation. Let's see solution how we can find out the value of ab. Solution: a plus b is equal to 12. So we can say this is equation number 1. Next one is ab. ab is equal to 30. This is given. So we can say this is equation number 2. Now here a plus b is equal to 12. So we can say, we can take value of b here. So b is equal to, we can say b is equal to 12 minus a, right? So this is equation number 3. Now we have to substitute this equation 3 in equation 2. So substitute equation 3 in 2. Then we will get here a times b. Now b is 12 minus a. So 12 minus a. 12 minus a equal to 30. Equal to 30. Right? We got here one equation. So we are multiplying it. 12a minus a square is equal to 30. Now 12a minus a square equal to 30. So we can write this one minus a square plus 12a minus 30 equal to 0. If we are multiplying with minus 1 in whole term, then we will get here a square, it will become positive and it will become negative. So minus 12, it will again become positive 30 equal to 0. So a square minus 12a plus 30 equal to 0. We got one equation here, right? Now we have to check coefficient of this one. So here a square, coefficient of a square, that is a equal to 1 here, b equal to minus 12 and c equal to 30. C equal to 30 here. Now we are using formula. So a is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2 times a. This is the formula. Now we have to substitute this value in this formula. So a equal to minus b. Now b is minus 12, so it will become minus 12 plus minus square root of, now b square, b is minus 12, so it will become here minus 12 square minus 4 times a times c is 30. 30 divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times a, right? Now a is equal to minus minus plus, so it will become 12 plus minus square root of 12 square is 144. So here it will become 144 minus 3 4 ja 12. It will become 120 minus 120 divided by 2. Right? Now a is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 144 minus 120. So here 4 minus 0 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. 24, 1 minus 1 is 0. It will become here 24 divided by 2, right? Now a is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 24. So we can write this one 6 times 4. 6 4s are 24 divided by 2. A is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 4 times square root of 6. We can write this one square root of 4 times square root of 6 divided by 2. A is equal to 12 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 square root of 6 divided by 2. Now a is equal to 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 plus minus 2 square root of 6 divided by 2. Now 2 6 ja 12 and this 2 is cancelled from this 2. So a is equal to 6 plus minus square root of 6, right? Square root of 6. So here we got the value of a is equal to 6 plus minus square root of 6. We can say a1 because here two value present. So a1 is equal to 6 plus this one, 6 plus square root of 6. and a2 is equal to 6 minus square root of 6. So in this way we got the two value of a, that is a1 and a2. Now we have to find out the value of b1 and b2. So according to equation 3, b is equal to 12 minus a. You can check in equation 3 according to equation 3. Now b is equal to 12 minus a. So we can say here b1 is equal to 12 minus a1 and b2 is equal to 12 minus a2, right? So here b1, first we are find out the value of b1. So b1 is equal to 12 minus a1. Now a1 is 6 plus square root of 6. So 6 plus square root of 6. Now b1 is equal to 12. We are opening this bracket, so 12 minus 6 minus square root of 6. b1 is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus square root of 6. So this is the value of b1. And now now we have to find out the value of b2. So b2 is equal to 12 minus a2. Now a2 is 6 minus square root of 6. So 6 minus square root of 6. b2 is equal to, now 12 minus 6 minus plus square root of 6. b2 is equal to, now 12 minus 6 is 6 plus square root of 6. So this is the value of b2. Now we got here again two value of b, that is b1 and b2. So we can say a1 a1 b1 a1 b1 is equal to, when a1 is 6 plus square root of 6, at that time value of b1 is 6 minus square root of 6. And when a2 b2, when a2 is 6 minus square root of 6, 6 minus square root of 6, at that time value of b2 is 6 plus square root of 6. So this is the solution for this equation. Now we have to verify is this correct or not. So let's verify this value. So let's verify. Question is, first equation is a plus b. A plus b is equal to 12. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is AB equal to 30. This is equation 2. Now we have to substitute this value. We are verifying for A1, B1, right? So we are taking here A1 and B1. So if we are taking A1, so value of A1 is 6 plus square root of 6. 6 plus square root of 6 plus value of B is 6 minus square root of 6. 6 minus square root of 6, question mark 12, right? Now 6 plus square root of 6, 6 plus square root of 6 plus 6 plus minus square root of 6, question mark 12. Now square root of 6 here plus square root of 6 minus square root of 6, so it will become cancel from here. Now 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, is equal to 12. So we can say here LHS is equal to RHS. So value of A1 B1 is equal to 6 plus square root of 6 and 6 minus square root of 6. This is correct solution for this equation 1. Now we are verifying for equation 2, that is AB equal to 30 is given, right? So here AB is equal to 30. This is equation 2. Now we have to again substitute this value in this equation. So 6 plus square root of 6. Now B is 6 minus square root of 6. 6 minus square root of 6. And here question mark 30. Now this is the form of A plus B, A minus B, right? So we know the formula A plus B times A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So it will become here A square, that is 6 square, minus B square. B is square root of 6. Square root of 6 square. Question mark 30. Now 6 square is 36 minus Here square and here square root. So square is cancelled from square root. Question mark 30. Now 36 minus 6. So it will become 30 is equal to 30. So here again LHS is equal to RHS. So value of A1 B1 is equal to 6 plus the square root of 6. And here 6 minus square root of 6. This is correct solution for the equation 2. So we can say this is the correct solution, and you can verify for A2 and B2, where A2 is 6 minus square root of 6 and B2 is 6 plus square root of 6. You can verify and comment me. Thank you.